Welcome to our not so perfect life. Our not so perfect life.
Yay.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, friends.
Hey, we're not really feeling very good. Actually, we feel pretty terrible. And all of our family and our kids are at a resort that we were supposed to be at
Yeah, we booked it with everybody.
for Christmas.
Water slides and everything.
And bowling and
Wave pools.
and Santa hats and
Family.
my mom got everybody matching pajamas.
Christmas.
We've been getting pictures all day of how cute everybody looks, and we decided not to go because we didn't want to get everybody sick.
Because we came down with this brand new flu called death. Just awful.
With my crackly nose.
So nasty. Don't get her laughing too hard. She'll choke. This isn't the way that the holidays are supposed to be. Good grief. We're two sickies.
Oh, good grief.
This is not from too much eggnog.
No. But if you stay tuned to our next video,
Yeah.
we'll show you all the excitement that led up to this.
Why we are here.
We walked all around in 21-degree weather.
Shh, don't tell too much more.
Okay. It was so much fun. It was wonderful, fantastic fun.
But
But it kicked us in the butt.
it did. I've been drinking bone broth.
Yeah.
Does that sound appealing to you?
And I'm eating oil of oregano. And that stuff stings.
And she made me drink this brown liquid.
It's called a tincture.
Tincture.
Yeah.
It's not tasty at all. It smells bad.
No bad.
It tastes even worse.
But it's supposed to help you get better. Hope you enjoy your holidays. And we're doing our best to enjoy ours. This is our everyday life. Made beautiful. This is beautiful as it gets right now. We're coming at you for real. This is real. Merry Christmas and Happy Kwanzaa.
Happy
Holiday,
holiday.
Hanukkah, Christmas.
Just
to
family time.
you. Family. Enjoy it. Even if you're sick, enjoy it together. Stay tuned for how we got here because it actually is really fun and exciting.
It's a tale of two cities.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. That was actually a lot of fun. We're gonna have that coming up next. It's way more fun than this.
Yeah.
We'll be better soon. almost like threw up.